We've been talking about arrays, and we talked about identifying those rows and columns and how many objects we had in all. Today we're going to move past that a little bit and work on writing repeated addition sentences for our arrays. So when we look at this array of green stars, I have 3 columns and 6 rows. So when I go to write my repeated addition, now here's the thing on repeated addition, the add-ins are all going to be the same. So that means all of my add-ins are either going to be a 3 or all of my add-ins are going to be a 6. And I can write 2 repeated addition sentences for this. So I can add the number of columns 6 times. So we would have 3 columns plus 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 3 columns to equal 18 stars. Or I could write the number of rows the number of columns times. So I would have 6 rows plus 6 rows plus 6 rows, which will equal 18 as well. So if we think back to when we identified we had 3 columns, we can find the 3 in this number sentence, and it's there 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or we could find the number 6 3 times. So let's try this again with a different array. Let me move this. So now let's look at these purple triangles. Here I have 2 rows and I have 5 columns. So I can add the number of columns, the number of row times. So I would have 5 columns plus 5 columns is going to equal 10 objects. Or I could write 2 rows plus 2 rows plus 2 rows plus 2 rows plus 2 rows is going to equal my 10 objects. So we can either do it 5 plus 5 or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Both should equal the same number of objects. I hope that helps in your work today.